I'll catch you in class later.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Oh my gosh, did you see Andrew today? He was looking so cute.
Oh,
Gosh.
you need to hook me up with that.
Oh, my makeup. I can't look like that in front of Andrew.
Okay.
I think we're good. Yeah, I think I look good.
Oh, you are looking cute today, girl. Ain't gonna be able to resist you. Have yourself a good day.
Gosh, I'm so sick of these classes. Oh my gosh, I know. Lunch was so good though, wasn't it?
Yeah. It's so nice.
Oh my gosh, I forgot. I have to go meet David. I'll meet you later.
Okay. Oh my god, I can't believe I walked out today like that. It's so disgusting.
Who you texting, bro?
Well, you know, just some people.
Sweet, sweet. You texting, bro?
This stupid motherfucker, alright? He's... God! Come on. Come on, that's so stupid. What are you talking about? You don't know what you're talking about. You can't even text right. Look at it. You be. Oh.
Who are you texting?
No one.
Yeah, okay.
This is my little sweetie pie head. Hello?
Abuser!
Oh my god!
Oh, whoa, tacos. Oh,
Like, as in being
Pass it
fried
on.
down there, or
damn. F you guys.
Thank you.
No problem. I was just
Hey
telling the
guys!
pastor.
Hey,
Oh.
come to Flugenflock Shindig.
Yeah.
There you go. Here's a flyer for you.
I was thinking about
Hey.
volunteering for these guys, so you know,
Yeah.
just help them
Have
out
a
with
good
it.
day, guys.
That'd be great.
Hey,
Up yours, bitch.
Yeah.
Hey, come
Can you not see I'm on the phone right now? Gosh.
Hey, come to Melville State.
Yeah,
We got-
thanks, but no thanks.
Hey, come to Chris.
Square.
Hey,
Hi.
come to one of Chris Hamilton's stupid
Oh my
programs.
god, I love flyers. Can I have 10 for my friends too?
Absolutely.
Oh, you're such a good person. Thank you so much.
Chris Hamilton program? Hey, sir, Chris Hamilton. Ah, it's raining outside, guys. Look, pick this up. Oh.
Remember this song?
Really, guys? Power Rangers? What up?
That is dope, right?
What are we, 5?
You can't even lie. You
wish I was five.
You guys are so immature.
Song. It's such a good song.
What are you even saying?
Whatever. You're just playing.
Sweet, just downloaded the best song. Yeah! Power Rangers, Morphin' Time!